We cornered the cast of Saheb Biwi or Gangster Returns for an exclusive interview on Zoom. So let's listen in.
Hi guys, welcome to the show. Hello. The Saheb Biwi and Gangster Returns. How do you induct Sobha into the gang?
Besides the Biwi, so obviously I'm the gangster.
So how did it all happen?
So for that you have to watch the film. Can't give away the story because it's basically taking off from where we left the first part. As in Saheb is on the wheelchair, Biwi is taken control of the entire situation. But how these characters come in, Irfan is the gangster obviously, how Soha's character comes in is what you have to see in the film, because it's done very interesting.
They already had a chemistry because they worked in the first part, Soha. So how was it when you came on board?
I actually adjust very quickly, so I wasn't too nervous, and they're quite nice, friendly people. So, you know, it's not like nobody spoke to me, except they put us in this Haveli, which was very scary. There were 4 of us. Mahi and I were on the top floor, and Jimmy and Irfan were on the bottom floor. And it was this huge Haveli, which was also the location where we were shooting. So they said, "Ke aapko aasan hoga, aapko wahan pe utke, hum yahin pe shoot karenge, so you don't have to travel." So we said, "Theek hai." And it really, like every night at 2, 3 in the morning, I would hear furniture being, you know, moved across in the next room where nobody was sleeping.
Really?
In the middle of the night, the door would open and a random stray dog would walk into your bedroom. It was like that.
Wow.
So it was a little bit scary, and but very atmospheric and you know, very nice that way.
Irfan says that he has so much faith in Tegmanchu, he didn't even read the script of the film. How was it for you all?
Same here.
Yeah?
The script actually I don't think was ready before we started.
You were just like walked into the set,
nobody had the script.
It rolled.
Yeah, Tishu's a great director, and you know, this is my 3rd film with him, and I understand him completely. So yeah, I did not actually read the script.
What about you, Jimmy?
I read the script.
You read the script, And
no, in the sense that when he was making the first part, he was clear at that time only that if the film is liked by people, if it does well, he will go ahead and make the second one. That's why he's left the ending of the first one like that. And he already had a story in his mind as to what is going to happen in the second one. But yes, finally when the script was ready, I mean, I was quite nervous about this one because I felt this was a much tougher character to portray because he's on the wheelchair and his frustration. Somebody who's used to that power and that kind of possession, that kind of stuff, and all of a sudden he's limited to a wheelchair. And I knew that Tishu is like that. I mean, you might read a scene and you might feel, oh, what's there in this scene? But the moment you go to shoot for it, and it's a completely different approach to that scene which he takes.
Mahi, was it tougher in the first?
And this one was very tough.
Yeah.
I found this character very difficult, though it's the extension of the first part, but this was tougher in the sense that her cheez dugni ho raha, in the sense she's become even more aggressive and ambitious, and she wants all the power, so khatarnak ho chuki hai, things like that. So it was difficult, yes.
We also heard that you had to drink to get in the real, you know, feel of the character.
A little bit, yes.
A little bit.
I was trying
at like 7 in the morning.
Yeah, something at 8:30 in the morning, but very little. ऐसा नहीं कि मैं गिरी पड़ी थी और ऐसे तली हो रही थी, nothing of that sort. No, hello. नहीं, थोड़ा सा, yes, just to get the feel, that's it.
So what about you? Did you have?
I'm not drinking at all.
So what are you doing? You're not drinking, smoking. What are you doing in the film?
I'm the saintly, innocent, unlike all these people. But no, it's interesting because all the characters are great, and my character appears very innocent and you know, very yielding. But she's not really. Everyone's a survivor, so she does what it takes to survive.
We see last year, we saw the birth of so many directors in different kinds of movies. So do you think it's a very good space for Indian cinema right now, the character roles that people are playing? It's not just so hero-centric anymore?
I think there has been more of a focus maybe on making closer to reality type of films. You know, Irfan was saying this earlier, that maybe 10, 20 years ago, we went through a phase in cinema which was very bad. And we were making all kinds of just very bad films and copying a lot of films. There's some wonderful original stories in India. More of that needs to come out. It's starting to come out. People are associating with realistic cinema, realistic characters. Lots of films are being made. Lots of new actors have come into the industry as well. Lots of new faces, interesting faces. So I think it's a very interesting time, certainly. I'm excited by what the future holds. It is also competitive, of course.
Right.
Some of the same old stuff continues, the hero-driven song and dance.
Jimmy, don't you think character actors get very typecast, get very slotted somewhere? Like for you, if you're doing a very strong, bold role, you know, the kind of roles you get offered would probably follow a similar pattern.
People come to me and tell me, ma'am, आपके लिए script लिखी है, इतनी powerful, ऐसा आपने role कभी जिंदगी में किया नहीं होगा. I don't want to meet those people now. You know, मैं कुछ और भी try करना चाहती हूँ. I want to try comedy, action, stuff like that. But आती है आपके पास इसलिए नो आपने strong role किया था, इतना strong role आपको बता नहीं सकता, सबकी जिंदगी का सबसे strong role होगा ये, things like that.
So are you guys nervous about this one? Because first one did really well, expectations are really high.
I'm excited about this one.
I am nervous, yes, because I want it to do better, and I'm sure it will. But I am nervous, yes, at the same time.
So,
I have a good feeling about this one.
yeah.
I think I share Jimmy's positive attitude, and I'm excited. I want to do as much as I can for this film. I want to be associated with it. I of course know that anything can happen, so I don't want to jinx it, but I have a good feeling, and I don't see any reason why it shouldn't do phenomenally well.
Great, keeping fingers crossed. Really hope it works really well for you all, and thank you so much for being on the show.
Thank you. Thank you so much.